It's MC Monte in the place to be. Welcome to the adventures of MC Monte. This month's theme, Mighty Morphin Power Rangers Black Ranger. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own Mighty Morphin Power Ranger cuffs. Yeah. If you're like me, you're working on your Mighty Morphin Power Rangers Black Ranger cosplay right now. But you can use this video to create any cuff, any color of the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. There are several methods you can use to make a really good cuff, and I'm going to go over a few of those methods in this video. You can make a really good cuff using EVA foam and velcro. You can also make a really good cuff using vinyl like the ones I'm wearing and creating a zipper closure. If you enjoy my videos, remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video or tutorial. As usual, everything you need is listed in the description below. Check that out, gather your supplies, and let's get to it. Start by printing out your pattern and cutting it out. Trace your pattern onto your marine vinyl and cut it out. You're going to need 2 for your arms and 2 for your legs. Cut out your black vinyl for the diamonds. I'm using my Cricut to cut out heat transfer vinyl that can go on the top. And now I'm weeding my vinyl and I'm going to iron it onto my marine vinyl. If you're using black marine vinyl the same as your white marine vinyl, then simply cut out your diamonds and sew it on top of your white cuff or glue it on top of your white cuff. If you're using a heat transfer technique like me, prep your marine vinyl by putting a piece of parchment paper on top and warming it up with the iron, and then line up your diamonds on your marine vinyl. Then put your parchment on top and press your iron onto each diamond for 10 to 15 seconds. I did each diamond twice. You can still use iron-on heat transfer vinyl even if you don't have a Cricut. Simply cut out your diamonds and iron them on top. If you're using the heat transfer method, this is a quick and easy way to do it. Otherwise, you can glue your diamonds on top or sew your diamonds on top. When you're done, peel away the transfer and it will look like this. This iron-on transfer method is a great way to get a clean look on your diamonds. Next, attach your zipper. You can glue the zipper, hand sew the zipper, or machine sew the zipper using a straight stitch. If you want an in-depth video on that, I'll link it in the description. And just like that, your cuffs are done. And there you have it. Your Mighty Morphin Power Rangers cuffs are complete. Now, if you're like me, we just finished the next part of our Black Ranger cosplay. Leave me a comment on this video and let me know how you did. I would love to see pictures of your work. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe. Share this video with your cosplay community, and I'll see you next time. Always remember, adventure awaits. So get out into the world and explore. Peace.